Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2002 Cadillac Escalade EXT all-wheel drive. This is the cream of the crop when it came to the EXT model, and that was just signifying that this is actually a truck, not a Escalade SUV, and it is the Avalanche's big brother. And how we do this with getting the cleanest vehicles we can find, I don't know, but we've done it again. I'm telling you, if you are in the market for one of these, this is the one to buy, just due to the fact that everything is there, it's complete, it's near perfect, and it's very well kept. All powered by that nice 6.0, that real nice V8 that can this can pretty much tow most anything that the average person would throw at it, and it will do it in style and class. Very well-dressed suit on this truck. So nice clean and clear headlights. This comes equipped with fog lights. As you can see, the front tow hooks is also equipped. Has the nice little front license plate cover still intact on the bumper, which is good. It still retains all of its factory center caps with the exception of the front driver's side. It is an aftermarket center cap without the logo on it, but it's still a good placeholder. Covers up that missing hole there if it wasn't there. Comes with Michelin tires all the way around. That is the only tire you really want to put on this vehicle unless it's a Destination LE2, but these Michelins, it doesn't get any better than this. So this is kind of what you want on this vehicle. This was pre-air ride, so we don't have to deal with anything on that on the rear suspension, but comes with four-wheel disc brakes. Very super luxurious interior. For 2002, this was premium. I mean, this was very, very above and beyond its years. Comes powered with power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, and power side folding mirrors. Dual front heated seats. Still retains all of its wood grain trim. I think this might be the only plastic cover missing. That is, it's one of these, but that is really the only thing missing on the interior. Typically these are gone, usually most of those are gone, so for it to retain the rest is excellent. I mean, look at these seats. It's got the perforated leather, no cracks or anything like that, just these wrinkle marks just from age of vinyl leather. Comes with the fold down armrests for both sides. And then we also continue the stitching and the perforated leather on top of the center console there. Nice feature. Comes with the original owner's manual. I like how they put it in color. Match the front emblem. They didn't just not put it in color, so that was good. They put the faux stitching there on the handle and not too much peeling or anything else. And as you can see, the little Cadillac insignia there, so nice fine touches. See the Bose insignia on the radio. Comes with the Dolby sound. It also has a tape player, which is good so we can retain auxiliary capabilities. OnStar, that's no longer in service, but comes with Park Assist and StabiliTrak. This was kind of the beginning stages of StabiliTrak. Comes with a clock and also has our little info about the vehicle. Also a 6-disc CD changer. Dual compartments here for cup holder, cigarette lighter, or charging port in today's culture. And then it also has keyless entry, so pushing that button pops that one up, and then pushing this side button that is lockable gives you the access to the center console. Has the Cadillac crests in the headrests, side airbags on the A, B, C pillar. B pillar would be in the seats. Very clean carpet, no stains. It smells like new in here. Still smells like a new Cadillac back in '02. Comes with dual charging ports back there. Have the ability to change your stations. Rear AC. Also has a fold down armrest. So like I said, lots and lots of features. So back in 2002, this was unheard of. So this rear window is removable. Seats you can fold forward and then lay down to where you can access actually this back half of the cab can continue into the bed, so you can get a full six foot bed back there. Comes with the nice body color matching moldings. It has the nice chrome on the running boards down below and then off the roof racks on top. So very good color scheme, matching with the chrome on the handles. And then body color matching strakes across the backside here leading into the truck bed. So very, very good. It has the 6.0 muffler, so it's a bit wider, a deeper growl sound to it. And then in here you have your tools, spare emblem in there, and it also has bed liner in it, plastic and rubber. And then these are removable. As you can see, all of these handles there, just pull each handle and then you can fold these back. They are numbered. They have 1, 2, and 3. You always want to keep those because this is a good selling feature of the vehicle. It comes with a locking tailgate, comes with rear towing capabilities and spare tires underneath, as well as the trailer hookups. You can see your park assist. Hardly any dings, dents, scratches. I mean, they're so minor, it would just be on the verge of nitpicking if I even pointed them out. So it's just super, super clean Escalade. I mean, I haven't seen this since really 2002, early 2000s, mid 2000s. But it's in very, very good condition. As you can see, the power side folding mirrors work flawlessly with the push of that button. Cargo lamp, fog lights, headlight switch. And then we have our power windows, locks, mirrors. We have our exit settings for our memory seat.